think, where does this end? In 100 years, are we renaming Andrew Young? Are we renaming Portman? I mean, so again, I'm just up here to again say my opposition to street renaming. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Cardinale. And after that, Angela Green. I'm sorry. Green, did I say Green?
Ms. Shepard, for the second time, my last name is pronounced Cardinale.
I apologize, Mr. Cardinale.
Thank you. Hi, everybody. Matthew Cardinale, AtlantaProgressiveNews.com. I'm here to let you know that I have filed the second lawsuit against the City of Atlanta over open meetings violations. You know, I learned from last time to just not even threaten to file a lawsuit and just go ahead and file. The mistake that I made was that you all would actually care about doing what was right for the right reasons out of concern for democracy. So when I approached the Committee on Council, that's what I focused on. I didn't really focus on the law, but apparently all you all care about is the law. Well, let me tell you about the law. You all have violated the law by consistently holding closed committee briefings, not allowing in the public, failing to keep an agenda, failing to keep the minutes, and violating the pre-meeting advertising requirements, both when there is a quorum and when there is not. Your attorneys seem to have you believing that there's only a violation when there's a quorum. Jersowitz v. Fortson, which is a 1994 Georgia Court of Appeals ruling, found that that is not the case. There's a violation even when there is not a quorum, because you all are meeting with executive branch officials to discuss official business matters that are on the agenda of the committee. You cannot delegate the responsibility of the committee to a subset of that committee. If you all have private matters that you feel you need to discuss that are financial or legal, the appropriate venue for that is executive session, and that venue is laid out also in the Georgia Open Meetings Act. The City of Savannah was also recently reprimanded for a similar violation by the Georgia Attorney General for meeting with city manager candidates, 3 council members at a time. I have much more to say. And I continue to be willing to settle, so you all know how to reach me. Let me also say, this is like so not personal. There are people, committee chairs who are listed as defendants who I consider friends. So this is not personal. All the committee chairs are named, as well as the City of Atlanta, and we may be adding other defendants shortly. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Cardinale.